Hello everyone, welcome to Check channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if there is no sound on YouTube in your Chrome browser on Windows. Now the first and most easy thing that you need to do first is by right clicking on the YouTube tab, and then if you see this option which is unmute site, click on it and then play the video and see if the sound is playing or not. If not, then what you have to do next is click on these three little dots from the top right and then click on settings. Now from here go to the settings address bar and then type in /content and then / again and then sound and then press enter, and you will land in here. Now if you see that this option is selected, which is don't allow sites to play sound, you need to select the first one, which is sites can play sound, and scroll down a bit and see if there is YouTube in this list which is not allowed to play sound. So if you see YouTube in here, all you need to do is just click on these three dots and then click on remove, and now go back to your YouTube video, play the video and see if there is sound or not. If none of these fixes worked for you, then there is one other thing that you can try. For that, click on your speaker icon and then click on this little arrow here and then see if you have selected the correct audio driver. In my case, this one is the correct one and it will play sound when I select this, but if I select this one, no sound will be played. So you need to select the right audio driver and that should play the audio. If this doesn't work either, there is one last fix that you can try. For that, you need to go to start and then in the search box type in device manager and then click on device manager from the top. Now in here what you have to do is find sound, video and game controllers and then click on this little arrow next to it. Now in here you need to check which one is your correct audio driver, as I have just checked that this one is the correct one. So I'll just right click on this one and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall device again, and after that click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes, and now the driver will be reinstalled again and you should be able to play the audio. And that is how you can fix the no sound issue with YouTube on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.